Meyer's Clean Day for everyday cleaning. With a refreshing lemon verbena scent, this one from Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day comes with a single bottle at a reasonable price range. Take a look at it if you are kind of those people who are on a very tight budget. But if you can expend some extra dollars, then it is okay to choose the model of a 3-packs. The cleaner is designed to reduce stuck-on specks of dirt in a smart and quick way. Have you got unexpected stains on your quartz countertop? No worries, mate. Get your hands on this cleaner, spray onto the surface, wipe off with a neat towel, and voila, the entire countertop gets super duper. Talking about the compatibility, this cleaner is suitable to use on a lot of surfaces, such as the bathroom, hardwood floor, granite, tile, wall, stainless steel, and many more. Impressive, eh? Well, the item contains a weight of no less than 16 ounces. As primary ingredients, the cleaner equips dicyl glucoside, water, citrus limon, lemon, peel oil, polysorbate 20, and a few things for ensuring maximum cleanliness. Though it's safe to use, the item is not tested on pets. So, it's good to keep it at bay from them. The lid of this stuff is kind of loose, which is why it leaks more often while spraying. If you face that situation, make sure to buy an extra piece of lid to make it tight and leak-free. Highlighted features. Lemon verbena scent is so refreshing. Pretty low in cost. Packs water, dicyl glucoside, polysorbate 20, and so many essential components. 16 ounces of weight. Ideal for quartz countertop, bathrooms, tiles, stainless steel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.